Is your remote fob defective or starting to fail? Maybe you only have one remote and no spare. Don't wait until it's too late. Replace your worn-out or non-functioning fob with our brand-new, upgraded replacements. 100% compatible with your Porsche Boxster and 996 immobilizer system. We use our proprietary remote circuit board, combined with a Porsche factory remote membrane and Crest, for a guaranteed factory look and feel. Each remote includes the necessary codes to program it to your existing immobilizer system using the right scanner tool. Plus, every remote comes with a pre-installed blank keyblade and a high-quality lithium battery for added convenience. We stand by the quality of our remote fobs with a best-in-market 1-year warranty covering the electronic components. Please note that programming fees are not covered under this warranty. Order your replacement remotes today at ecudoctors.com. If you have any technical questions, our knowledgeable customer service team is ready to assist you with answers or help you place your order. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Porsche electronic solutions.